There really isn't an average amount of time necessary to resolve a criminal case. If you're charged with a misdemeanor theft or disorderly conduct, and depending on the nature of the trajectory of the case, it could be resolved in a matter of weeks or a month. If you're charged with a serious homicide or a federal drug conspiracy or any number of other kinds of serious cases, it could take 1, 2, possibly even 3 years at the district court level. Most felonies, in my experience, are resolved within 3, 4, maybe 5 months, but it really does depend. Sometimes the very act of hiring the right criminal defense lawyer will shorten the case overall, because once the prosecutor understands that a certain defense lawyer is involved in the case, that prosecutor may very well decide to dispose of it quite quickly rather than dragging out the litigation. It's also possible that an aggressive early investigation into the case, building a strong defense with an investigator, gathering evidence, and so on, can foster an early resolution. Sometimes cases are just on a trial track. And what I mean by that is the prosecution is not going to resolve it no matter what. They're going to go to trial, and a case like that is going to be protracted. One way to speed up a case that is on a trial track is by entering a speedy trial demand. That is something that we pretty rarely advise our clients to do, but it's something we would want to talk to you about as we find a way to get the best possible outcome.